Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today ay new bike day tayo for my wife, and this is Pinewood X-Lite 2025. Okay, so quick review natin and i-weigh na lang din natin kung gaano kabigat yung bike. Since this is an entry-level bike, alloy yung frame and alloy yung fork. So, expected natin na may pagkabigatan. Excuse. Okay, so start tayo. This is Pinewood X-Lite. Size 45. Size 48. Good for 5'5", 5'6", and maybe 5'7". Depende sa haba ng torso and inseam. Yung wife ko ay 5'5", and so far okay naman sa kanya yung fitting ng bike. Okay, so this is 700 by 25C yung stock tires na may 40mm na rims. This one is ECC aluminum 40. So 40mm yung width ng rims, and I think hindi pa tubeless ready yung tires. So nagbabalak kami na palitan ng 28mm. Going sa fork, yung fork niya ay aluminum. Mafe-feel mo talaga na yung bigat niya ay more on this side rather than sa likod na side. And yung drop bar niya ay aluminum din with I think 80 to 90mm na stem. Okay, yung hood niya ay, by the way guys, yung group set niya ay Shimano 105 2x11. So I think R7000 siguro yun, kasi may bago na 2x12 speed. So yung hood niya ay Shimano 105. Crank Shimano 105 34 by 50 and 170mm crank arm. FD ay Shimano 105, RD Shimano 105 cassette, and nabanggit nila na yung hubs ay Shimano 105 din. Okay, yung brake calipers ay Shimano X series, hindi siya Shimano 105 na hydraulic. Kumbaga ano siya guys, cable actuated, hindi siya hydraulic. So the calipers is Shimano Tourney TX. Ayan. Seat post ay aluminum din, and yung saddle ay Pinewood. Based sa test ride ng wife ko ay malambot naman, pwede na. Okay, so check natin yung hubs. Yan. Okay, so I think that's it. Na test ride na namin kahapon. Nalagyan na namin ng accessories, bottles, tail light, and speedometer. Okay, so if I am going to upgrade, o kung may upgrade man ako, I think I will go for the fork and the drops and the brakes. Kung may uunahin man ako, siguro yung brake set, palitan ko ng Jointech F1 hydraulic na cable actuated, and second yung saddle siguro, and lastly yung fork, and last i-late ko na lang yung hood or dito. Okay, so I think that's it. By the way, 3 sizes yung meron sila, and 3 colors. Yung kulay ay white, matte gray, and black. So ito yung black. And yung sizes ay 45, 48, and 50. Yung previous bike ng wife ko ay 45, so maliit talaga sa kanya kasi she is 5'5", and pag may sapatos na riding shoes ay 5'6", so masyadong maliit yung 45 sa kanya. So we decided na kumuha ng 48 and adjust na lang kami sa saddle na position. Anyway, so weigh natin yung bike with the accessories. Weight niya ay 11.38. 11.38 sa 48 na size ng Pinewood X-Lite. Okay? Yun lang guys. Nabili namin ng 35,000 pesos. So kung gusto nyo malaman, please comment down below kung saan namin nabili para ma-forward namin yung link. Okay. And may kasama na pala siyang pedals. And I think hindi siya seal bearing, pero in-install na lang namin kasi maliit siya, compact, and for me parang slick siya, tingnan na bagay sa road bike. Anyway, yun lang guys. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye.